जय गुरु जी। गुरु जी के चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। आई हुई सभी संगत को प्रणाम और आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है गुरु जी के सत्संग में। आइए संगत जी, आज के सत्संग की शुरुआत करते हैं और आज इनवाइट करेंगे अन्नू मुंजाल आंटी को। अन्नू आंटी आएं और सत्संग शेयर करें।
Jai Guruji, I would like to share my satsang, the journey, that lovely time that I spent with Guruji. So I met Guruji in November 2005, and one of my friends, she told me there's one Guruji Maharaj. He blesses you with the chai prasad, langa prasad, and cures all your problems. I used to stay in Greater Kailash, Delhi, and so me and my husband we decided to go to Guruji and seek his blessings. So we were going in the car, and my husband said I wanted to go. My husband said I want to go to the washroom. Now I was telling him कि this is not the way. अगर आपको जाना है तो you should have gone from home. It's not ethical कि आप दरबार जा रहे हो, किसी spiritual place पे जा रहे हो और वहां जाके अब you're looking for the washroom. Anyways, this conversation got over in the car, and when I reached the Darbar of Guruji, that is Empire Estate Chota Mandir, um, I had 1001 questions in my mind कि मुझे ये भी बात करनी है, ये पूछना है and all that. But when I reached there, when I saw Guruji sitting on his gaddi, it was such a beautiful, mesmerizing sight that there is no explanation to it. How amazing Guruji looked and was, and he was like it. I felt as if this was some special place where this doesn't belong to earth. This is something ethereal, very special, divine. And Guruji was in his gaddi as usual, beautiful, amazing, charming, magnanimous. My words are short to describe his beauty and aura. So the moment I reached, Guruji asked me, किधरों आए हो? I said Guruji जी के. कहते हैं गटर कैलाश. And then he said, घर से बाथरूम होकर आया करो. Now it was so embarrassing, and I felt because the entire sangat was there, and I felt very very bad that I've been told publicly by Guruji Maharaj. But anyways, I said Hanji Guruji, and then he said. He asked about me and Amit. My husband's name is Amit. He said, love marriage. I said, Hanji Guruji. And then he said, Beja. I sat. Then in a while he told me I was wearing one emerald ring, gemstone था, emerald green color का पन्ना जिसको बोलते हैं. I was wearing that in my hand. So Guruji said, "ऐ की पाया हुआ है?" I said, "Guruji किसी ने मुझे astrologer ने दिया था." He said, "ऐसनो तो उतार दे, तू ग्रह पाए होने." I immediately took off my ring because it was his hukum. And then he asked me um, कि दस तेनू की चाहिदा है. Trust me, I don't want to lie. Guruji is right in front of me also. I wanted everything from A to Z in the world. So Guruji, I just told him, Guruji आपकी blessings. And फिर से गुरुजी ने बोला दस तेनू की चाहिदा है. And I said गुरुजी आपकी blessings. And I'm so thankful कि मेरे को पता, I said the same thing कि आपकी blessings चाहिए because had I quantified ये चाहिए वो चाहिए वो कब का पूरा हो चुका होता. But blessings are never ending, incessant. So it was a very wise answer, that too given by, prompted by Guruji, I must say. So my life completely changed. When I went to Guruji, my mental peace was practically zero. Practically zero means I had everything, but my inner peace was zero. There were few people in my life who were very troublesome, who were kind of too bad for my family, for my happiness. I wanted them to be out of my life. And in no time, trust me, in no time, my prayer was that Guruji इनको हटाओ. आप मानेंगे नहीं, उनके साथ हम रोज उठते बैठते थे, डिनर लंच करते थे, बट इन नो टाइम दे जस्ट गॉट आउट ऑफ अ लाइफ एज इफ दे नेवर एग्जिस्टेड. So I believe that Guruji takes out negativity, negative people out of your life who are not meant to be with you, who are not good for you. That can be your family, your friends, your relatives, your close, most close people, your even blood relationships, your drivers, your subordinates. So Guruji knows आपके पास कौन है, कौन नहीं है, और कौन आ रहा है, और सब कुछ उनकी रजा से हो रहा है. So it's very simple. Guruji makes you and your life very simple and full of blessings, blissful, because negativity wo hatate hain. I used to have very severe bronchitis. My health was not bad. I was very much overweight. Right now also I'm fat, but that time I was much much more. और मैं गुरुजी को बहुत बोलती थी, गुरुजी मुझे पतला कर दो. And he always used to tell me, जा सैर कर कर दफा हो, तेनू किसी चीज की लोड़ नहीं है. So he used to just tell me कि किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं, just walk. And Guruji used to be so beautifully, amazingly good, you know, in the sense he used to talk to me as if कोई अपने आपका घर का फैमिली का आपसे बात करता है. और द अमाउंट ऑफ लव, द डिवाइन लव दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम गुरुजी, ट्रस्ट मी, किसी ह्यूमन कैपेसिटी में तो वो नहीं है, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. He just changes everything around you. So bronchitis, which I used to be, I told you was too much. My nebulizers and steroids had stopped working on me. But with his grace, one day I told Guruji, Guruji मुझे bronchitis होता है, मैं लोटा ब्लेस करा के लाऊं. कहते हैं तेनू किसी चीज की लोड़ नहीं है. And within no time, that bronchitis all went away as if it was never there. So उन्होंने बोला, and how it happens, because Guruji is not just Guru, he is the Bhagwan, he is the Malik, he is a Srishti ke, I must say, he is the master. Not only of this universe, but all the parallel universes or all the existence. Then in January, my dad was very much unwell and he was hospitalized. उनको major organ failure हो गया था, and doctor said he was put on ventilator. Doctor said that he will not survive. मंडे को मेरे डैड एडमिट हुए थे, थर्सडे से गुरुजी का दरबार होता था. So on Thursday, I went to the Darbar, Guruji's Darbar in Empire State. I was sitting at the last seat, my eyes were shut. I was just praying to Guruji कि मेरे डैड ठीक हो जाए. And when I had a vision, जिसमें गुरुजी मेरे साथ हॉस्पिटल गए हैं और उन्होंने मेरे डैड का वेंटिलेटर का वो हटा दिया है और बोले जा न्यू लाइफ ऐश कर, तेनू ब्लेस की करा. एस दी की लोड है दैट पाइप का वेंटिलेटर का. And he blessed my dad and he cured him. Now this was when I opened my eyes, I realized कि ये तो एक vision है जो मुझे आ रहा है उस समय. But in so I we as humans again don't realize the miracles, the I mean the meher of God. So when I was taking आज्ञा from Guruji that very day, I told Guruji मेरे dad बहुत बीमार हैं and उन्होंने मुझे कोई आंसर नहीं दिया. So my husband said अब तेरे डैड की लाइफ नहीं है because Guruji is quiet, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला है. आप मानेंगे नहीं that in no time, my when I went to the hospital the next day, the ICU, my dad was 101% fine. The ventilator had been removed, and at that very point of time, जब मेरे को vision आया था मंदिर में. So that's our Guruji. Guruji is a darling. He's a sweetheart. And trust me, when Guruji is with you, there's no power which can affect you because हम मालिक की सृष्टि, मालिक की दृष्टि और उनकी छत्र छाया में है. My I used to go to Guruji because it was that madness, that divine love, and you know, I felt like there was a urge to go, and we used to literally sometimes used to cry a lot. That was because जब आपकी soul overwhelm होती है भगवान के आगे, परमात्मा के आगे, you feel that kind of a feeling. It was a gratitude. It was the we were so thankful for being there that our soul used to often feel indebted. And that's the reason हमारे आंसू आ जाते थे उनके सामने बैठ के. And those were the lovely times. You know, I must say that when I had met Guruji, it was a rough patch or rough phase of my life. But I'm really thankful to my negative stars that because of which Malik को दर्शन देने पड़े मुझे. So that's Guruji. So Malik had to give darshan because of the fact that the things were so bad at my end that उनको खुद आना पड़ा. But I give so much of thanks to that person, the situation, the moments, or the trouble that really troubled me that God had to meet me. So thank you, Guruji, and thank you everybody who made me meet him. Then I used to go there every Monday and sorry, every Thursday and Sunday, and of course on the Bada functions also, sometimes on Mondays also. And Guruji used to talk I used to kiss him on his hand, on his leg, feet, wherever I could get a chance. And I used to tell Guruji, kiss karna hai, haath do. And lovingly used to give. Sometimes he used to say, दफा हो. So I believe वो भी दफा उसको मेरी नेगेटिविटी जो साथ होती थी probably वो मुझे भी नहीं पता. So उनको बोलते थे वो. Then my one day my husband did not believe the way I did, and he sometimes used to say that गुरुजी अगर कुछ है ना तो मेरी सिस्टर का नाम बताएं. He said मैं तो नहीं मानता हूँ ऐसे. So ये वाली बात हमारी घर में हो रही थी कि कुछ है तो उसका नाम बताएं, मेरी सिस्टर का नाम बताएं वो. एंड 2-3 महीने हो गए. इट वॉज अ गुरु पूर्णिमा डे. माई सिस्टर इन लॉ वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम लंडन. शी वॉज इन यूके. So when she came, I brought her to Guruji. She was having some issues with her in-laws. So when I made her meet Guruji, it was a Guru Purnima day. हम रात को लेट गए थे. It was about 11 o'clock. We went to Bade Mandir. And when I went with her, Guruji said, "ए कौन है?" I said, "Guruji, मेरी sister in law है." कहते ननान है तेरी. And the moment she bowed down to Guruji, Guruji said, "आ गई डॉक्टर चेतना मेहता, BDS, बत्ती दंदा दा सर्वनाश." So he remembered what me and Amit had talked at home 3 months back. Like, I also did not remember what was the talk about. I had really forgotten the entire thing. But Guruji remembered it. So the fact is that Guruji is so amazing. आपका mind, आपके heart में एक dead thought भी वो पूरा करता है. He wanted us to live a happy life, be in the present, enjoy, and make the most of it that we have. Instead of sulking, cribbing, and asking for things that we don't even know whether they are good for us, Guruji wanted us to be a good human being. And that too, वो भी वो बना देते थे हमारी बस में नहीं है. आप अगर एक बार उनकी शरण में आ गए हो तो आप यू शुड बी सो हैप्पी that it is the fructification of all the positive karmas of all the lives that you have met Bhagwan and the way he has accepted you. We honestly are indebted and so thankful to God that he accepted us. And it's not that people who have seen Guruji or they haven't seen Guruji, doesn't matter, because हर एक का अपना टाइम है, हर एक की अपनी नीड है. That Guruji knows. जिसको उन्होंने दर्शन दिए हैं फिजिकली या वर्चुअली, इट्स द सेम. आप भगवान की शरण में हैं. दैट इज ऑल आई कैन से. ही इज द मालिक. Guruji cures everything. I have seen getting people cured of different problems which were actually so bad, were so complicated. Guruji अपने लंगर प्रसाद से सबको क्योर करते हैं. लंगर प्रसाद एक दवाई है. It's not as ordinary लंगर प्रसाद. This is that precious लंगर प्रसाद. I believe जिसको खाने के लिए देवी देवता भी लाइन में लगते हैं. So अगर आप यहाँ आ गए हैं तो आप बहुत लकी हैं. And there is no end to the blessings of Guruji. All you have to do is to surrender. Because I simply believe that we have a myopic vision. We cannot see beyond a wall, but Guruji knows it all. Unka, he's much more beyond all your thoughts and all your boundaries. He can see what we can't. So just trust, go with the flow, and I'm telling you, you will get those things which you can never have imagined or you can't even comprehend. Guruji is such a big power. He is the ultimate power. And if he is with you, no worries. पूरी दुनिया आपके एंटी हो बट मालिक साथ है. कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपको. हम एक अच्छे इंसान बनने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं, वो भी नहीं बन सकते until his grace is there on us. So whatever thoughts, whatever wishes I wanted, Guruji kept on fulfilling it. I mean, I can't even describe because there are so many. बट उन्होंने मेरी जो लाइफ अनपीसफुल थी, जीरो मेंटल पीस था, उसको विद इन नो टाइम 100 कर दिया. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट वॉज आई मैं मजाक में अभी भी बोलती हूँ कि व्हेन आई हैड मेट गुरुजी आई वाज इन such a low state of my mind and I was kind of into mild depressed form. But today I can take away mental peace of people. It's that confidence and that aura which he has filled me with. He gave me the loveliest. My best friend also was given by Guruji. She used to be a Sangat, and Guruji said, "Eh, teri best friend hai." And touch wood, she is my best friend because Malik ne choose kari hui hai. Many people have come and gone, but Guruji makes those people stay with you who are good for you. That I'm always again and again saying. Trust me, हमें पता भी नहीं हमने मांगना क्या, because next breath is also not ours. It's given by God. So once you are here, just surrender. Be happy that you are at the right place. First, He blesses you with the life, then health, and then everything is a side effect, I must say. So going to Guruji, having your Langa Prasad, staying happily, telling about Guruji is the biggest form of seva that we can do. And I think in this Kali Yuga, Guruji bhi bolte the Gupt Daan, Gupt Paat and Gupt Seva. Gupt Daan is when your left hand is donating, the right shouldn't know. Gupt Seva is when a husband is taking care of the wife and the wife is taking care of the husband and bringing the children in the best form. And Gupt Paat is when you're chanting, taking Lord's name, but your lips aren't moving. So it's very simple. He made the life and everything so simple. Guruji never wanted us to do the things in a way. He was never ritualistic. He was so simple. That's the best part. He wanted everything to be just neat, tidy, and there's no way about it. No pandit, no puja, no ghanti. So no वहम for sure. अगर आपको वहम करना है तो seriously there's no scope of it. बिल्ली आए या गाड़ी के आगे या whatever, there's nothing to worry because भगवान बड़ा है बिल्ली से या किसी भी चीज से. So Guruji takes you out of all the vehem and superstitions and stupid thoughts that we always carry with us. And I must say that we should go for Langa Prasad very often, or maybe weekly or monthly, whatever, because that's a dawai. The way you visit to the doctors, you should go to the Bade Mandir, have your prasad, and that's your blessing. ट्रस्ट में यहाँ मांगने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज हमारी मांग हमें पता ही नहीं क्या है. गुरु जी को पता है हमें क्या देना है. प्रायोरिटी भी उन्हीं की है. सो वी कैन जस्ट सरेंडर टू हिम एंड टेल हिम कि गुरु जी जो करोगे वो बेस्ट है. जो नहीं हो रहा वो और भी बेस्ट है. देयर इज नो नीड टू आस्क एनीथिंग. आफ्टर आई मेट गुरु जी, ट्रस्ट मी, आई स्टॉप गोइंग टू ऑल द पंडित्स. I've turned my patri, my horoscopes, because I believe Guruji rewrites your destiny. He changes everything. हम लोग इधर उधर धक्के खाते हैं. देयर इज नो पॉइंट बिकॉज अगर पंडितों ने कुछ करना होता तो पहले वो अपने लिए करते हैं. वास्तु फेल्स बिकॉज वेन गुरु जी का स्वरूप कहीं लगता है वास्तु वहां का वैसे ही साफ हो जाता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव दैट फेथ एंड बिलीव दैट मालिक आपके साथ है. ट्रस्ट मी, दैट ऑरा, दैट फीलिंग ऑफ गॉड प्रोटेक्टिंग यू, शील्डिंग यू is enough for you to lead your entire life. And I to proclaim this that when Guruji is with you, na, there's nobody who can harm you for sure. So just be in awe of him and be in gratitude for giving us such a, for us having such a great भगवान. मैंने अपनी गाड़ी बिना पेट्रोल के और पंचर्ड कार पे भी, टायर्स पे भी चलाई हुई है बिकॉज मैं सुनती थी सत्संग कि गुरुजी ने इसकी गाड़ी बिना फ्यूल के चलाई. मैंने आई हैव ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड एवरीथिंग. More than 50 kilometers my car ran on no fuel. Once my car was punctured and I had to go say about 30 kilometers. सिर्फ मैंने टायर inflate कराया and it got deflated in my own house, in my own house parking. So ये तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. So this all is nothing but his blessing कि हर moment पे वो साथ है. So when this Guru Purnima day was there, when I had taken my sister-in-law, I saw Guruji in the moon also. And my husband said, "You to are crazy. You are seeing moon में गुरुजी को कोई थोड़ा दिखता है." But that day there was a news on NDTV कि a bald man was seen in the moon, and Guruji said, "मैं गुरु पूर्णिमा वाले दिन चंद्रमा में नजर आऊंगा." And that's a fact. So he actually blessed me with everything that I had asked for, or much more than what I wanted or what I was supposed to get. Then Guruji also, one day we were all sitting in the Empire Estate, and he told few people who were sitting there to write our satsangs, compile in the form of CD, and show it to him and bring it to him. So we all took it. We took the CD to him, in which all our experiences that we had with Guruji were there compiled. एंड गुरुजी को जब मैंने वो सीडी दी तो गुरुजी मुझे कहते हैं ए ना अमेरिका विच कंजर पढ़नगे. It simply meant that all these, and after that, that was actually, they were the satsangs of every devotee which whom Guruji had selected. And those satsangs were first published in the Empire, that book Light of Divinity, which was the first edition. So that first edition of Light of Divinity was having the satsangs which were chosen by the Guruji and the devotees which was specified by him. And so then I could understand the meaning कि अमेरिका में कंजर पढ़ने के मीन्स इट विल बी ऑन नेट. उससे पहले गुरुजी कभी मीडिया में नहीं आते थे ना नजर आते थे. दो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एंड पॉलिटिशियंस ऑल यूज्ड टू बी अराउंड गुरुजी. गुरुजी मुझे मेरे डैड का सत्संग शेयर करने के लिए बोलते थे. कोई भी मिनिस्टर आया होता था उसको बात करवाते थे और बोलते थे इसको अपना शेयर कर सत्संग. So one day I was going from my home and I thought कि मुझे आज गुरु जी को I love you बोलना है. So when I was going and then when I reached तो वहाँ पे ये सारे मिनिस्टर्स थे. गुरु जी मुझे बोलते हैं अपना सत्संग शेयर कर. तब वहाँ मेनका गांधी थी, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा जी थे, मुरली मनोहर जोशी, then Arun Shourie, then Varun Gandhi. All these people were there. So I was sharing my satsang. एंड व्हेन द सच तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि अब तो मेरे को चांस नहीं मिलेगा, मेरे को आई लव यू बोलना है गुरुजी को. बट सिंस गुरुजी हैज पुट मी टू स्पीक द सत्संग, आई वोंट गेट अ चांस टू टेल आई लव यू. व्हेन आई नरेटेड द एंटायर सत्संग, गुरुजी टोल्ड मी कि जब तू आई सी तद ते होर गल सी, हुण तू गुरु बिना नहीं रह सकती. सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई मेंट टू टेल हिम. एंड देन आई सेड गुरुजी आई लव यू. कहते हैं मैंने कहा मुझे आपको कहना था आई लव यू एंड आपने वही बोला. तो ही सेड लव यू लव यू. सो गुरुजी एक्चुअली makes everything which you have in your heart for him. He knows it all. So इतने प्यारे भगवान है. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू सिंस गुरु जी की पावर्स मुझे तो लगता है इतनी मैग्नीफाई हो गई बिकॉज ही इज एवरीवेयर. एवरी कंट्री, एवरी सिटी, एवरीबडी हैज गुरु जी. एंड वी ऑल हैव अ प्राइवेट गुरु जी. मतलब आई तो ऑलवेज से इतना प्राइवेट भगवान हमें मिल गया है. what better can we get in life? It is, trust me, the fructification, as I told earlier, of all the positive karmas ki we have got the Malik. I can go on and on. There's no end to his महिमा, his grace. मुझे तो ये लगता है हम जो खा रहे हैं, जो हम पी रहे हैं, जो हम सांस ले रहे हैं, सब उन्हीं की देन है. प्रोवाइडर गुरु जी हैं. सो नो टेंशन, नो वरीज. आपको अपने भगवान पे भरोसा होना चाहिए. एक माँ को, एक बच्चे को माँ पे होता है, इसीलिए सेम इज गुरु जी. ही इज अ प्रोवाइडर. सो नो वरीज फॉर एनीथिंग. ट्रस्ट मी, सुबह की प्रॉब्लम शाम को नहीं रहती. और अगर कुछ सॉर्ट होता है तो बहुत अच्छा, नहीं भी होता तो वो उनकी मर्जी से हो रहा है. Start living your life like this. It'll be a living heaven. It'll be so blissful, so blessed, where only Guruji stays, no tension, no worries. Problems आएंगी, आपको कान तक पानी भी आ जाएगा, गुरुजी डूबने नहीं देंगे. That's my word to you. I am telling you this. So शुक्राना to him for everything. And बाकी गाड़ियाँ, पैसा, everything will flow much more than what you can expect. One share, satsang I would like to share more is my brother, my husband's brother, his son was not well. He was at the age of 8 years, that baby had a problem, which was a very, very rare problem, one in a lakh, and which his body actually had become paralyzed, the entire body. Doctors were very worried, but with Guruji's grace, he was cured. And that boy who couldn't even walk, who couldn't even think, who was like a vegetable, became a footballer team captain, or maybe he was a part of the football team. Today is hale and hearty, working, and absolutely great as if nothing had happened. So, where the doctors get their work complete, I mean, जहाँ doctors खत्म होते हैं वहाँ गुरुजी शुरू होते हैं. So that's our guru. गुरुजी हमारे को सिर्फ एक समोसा, जलेबी, प्रसाद, लंगर प्रसाद से ही इतना क्योर कर देते हैं कि जो एक बड़े बड़े स्टेरॉइड्स भी नहीं कर सकते. And trust me, I'm a live example. Thank you, Guruji. Shukrana, Guruji. And never, never worry. I'm telling you because Malik hamare saath hai. So, indebted to Guruji for my life. That's what I can say. Thank you to the Sangat. And thank you, Ji Guruji Ka Ashram also. Thank you.